Hello, it's Lori. Welcome to my crazy life. I'm in Chicago. Enjoy the pictures. Have a great day. Bye. Hi, it's Lori. Welcome to my crazy life. It's crazy today. I've got a story time for you. In this story, it's how not to change your own flat tire. So enjoy the footage and I'll be back. Well, look what I came out to this morning. Yep. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to use a jack, which I'm fairly certain shouldn't be too hard, right? Ugh, sorry. So I'm laying on the ground and I'm trying to find where the jack goes on my frame, which I'm not sure. We're gonna try. All right, that's the frame of my car. So in theory, it should go right here, right? Let's see if I can lean my phone up and record this. Well, we're gonna try anyway. This is why everybody should know how. Broke a nail. Should know how to fix a flat. It seems to be working. I've already loosened the lug nuts on my car. I just hope I'm on the right part of the frame to get this up enough to slide the car or the tire off the jack and get the spare on. And then I guess when I get back from riding my bicycle, I'm getting a new tire. I think I'm on the right part of the frame. I can stop laying down now. Get this going. Let's see. exactly sure how. Well, I am sure. There was a bubble on my tire, and I guess I shouldn't have ignored the bubble. And I should thank God that this did not happen while I'm moving your direction. How's that for a view? Perfect. I should have fixed my tire. Before now. I don't know if I'm up. I think I'm up high enough. And I had already loosened my lug nuts. How exciting is this? I'm not really excited about driving on a donut, but there we go. Here goes the flat. And here comes the donut. Oh, I gotta get it up maybe a little more. Yeah, I have to raise it up a little more. Oh God. Oh no. All right, I'm back. Now, since we realized I probably shouldn't be changing my own tire, AAA to the rescue. Alrighty, so the end result is I'm headed to the tire store to get a new tire for my car. I knew I had a bubble on my tire. Sorry, I'm driving to the tire store and it's hot. I knew I had a bubble, and I was hoping to go today or tomorrow to get a new tire. Yesterday on my way home from work, my tire pressure light came on, which does that seasonally, obviously. You know, cold, hot, and I hadn't put air in them in a while, so I was like, okay, well, let's just kind of hope and pray that the tire pressure is not because my tire, my tire is going flat, but because I just needed air on my other tires. Yeah, no, that's not the case. So, I'm at Mr. Tire. I'm gonna get a new tire for my car, and then this winter I will probably get a whole new set, but that's something I need to budget for, which I have not done. So, let's hope I don't have to wait all day. Thanks. Hey, have a great one. Bye.